If we finish off part C now for question 10, we're told that the passenger reaches the maximum height for the second time, t seconds after the start of the ride, and we want to find the value of t. So capital T represents the second time at which the maximum height is reached. From part B, we found that the maximum height is equal to 5 times e to the power of 0.1. So we know that this is h max, but we now want to find h max for the second time. So then if we write our expression for h max, we're using our original expression for h, but with capital T to represent the time, the second time at which the maximum height is reached. So we know h max is 5e to the power of 0.1. So that has to be equal to the value of h max at this second time. So these are equivalent. So we know that sine of 0.25 t, make that a bit clearer, is equal to 1. So we're solving for t here. So arc sine of 1 is equal to 0.25 t, or 0.25 t is equal to arc sine of 1. So the first value that we get, and we can do a quick sketch of our sine graph if you need help seeing this, but that's our first cycle. That's our first cycle for the sine graph. And we know that the maximum value is reached for pi over 2. Now, if we extend this a little bit, this is obviously going to be the first maximum. The second time we reach a maximum value will be here. So this is also the maximum value for sine, and this is obviously, you can label the minimum. This second time that you're reaching a maximum value for sine is going to be at pi over 2 plus 2 pi. That's because we know that the sine function has a periodicity of, has a period of 2 pi. So then pi over 2 plus 2 pi, that's equal to 5 pi over 2. And we get that from computing arc sine of 1. Obviously, we get our first principal value, pi over 2, which is this. And then our second value is going to be 5 pi over 2, which is the value we get here. And it's always nice to check that with a graph if you get a little bit confused, just computing this on the calculator. So this one, that was our first time we reached the maximum height. What we care about is the second time we reach the maximum height. So what we're really solving is 0.25 t equals 5 pi over 2. Therefore, t is 5 pi over 2 divided by 0.25, or you can think of it as multiplying through by 4, because of course 0.25 is also a quarter, so that's a quarter t is 5 pi over 2. Therefore, t is 4 lots of 5 pi over 2, which is just 10 pi. It's 10 pi seconds is our value for capital T, which represents the second time that the passenger reaches the maximum height.